Hi YouTube, this is fan of ham radio. In this video I will be unboxing my new Rigol DP832A. This is a pretty heavy box. Heavy, I mean I've been wanting to buy this for quite some time now. So let's get on with it. I take my trusty tool, my scissors and my blade. There you go. Hope you can see this in this thing. I'm cutting through this telephone. Gosh, this is a really big box. Oh, they double packaged it. Let me get the outer box out of the way. This is the power supply cord and the USB cable. Let me put my box away, the outer covering, so I can show you the instrument. Hope you can see it now. And taking it out of its plastic covering. This box is deeper than it is wider or taller. They told me that the license key is a firmware upgrade that they'll give it to me soon. They don't have it. They wanted to ship the instrument first and said that everything will be alright if I don't use any of the interfaces. Let me try to power it on and see how it comes out. Okay, let's see the power on test. Let me get it focused in the camera. Turning it on. Booting up. There you go. You got channel 1, 2, 3. Base channel on. All 3 channel works. That was a fast boot up in compared to my Rigol oscilloscope DP832A. Again, this is a Rigol DP832. I got the A option. They told me it's just a firmware upgrade. So I'll be showcasing more of this in my following videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Oh, sure. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, or comment below. And I would appreciate any feedback from you. Bye.